Okay, besides the y-intercept that's given in the equation, y-intercept is -3, what other point can we find on the graph of this line just using the slope? Now the usual way of doing this is when you're graphing a line using the slope, you start with the y-intercept, -1, -2, -3. There's the y-intercept of this line. Then the slope, which is the rise divided by the run, is equal to 2 divided by 5. So when the run is 5, the rise is 2. So if I go over a distance 5, let's say that this is a distance 5, then I have to go up 1, 2 to get back to the line. So here's the second point on the line. And so the line goes through these 2 points. Now the run was equal to 5 here. The run was equal to 5 and the rise was equal to 2. And we get to this point right here. This is the point with coordinates. And we're to write it in here. This point has coordinates 5, -1. So that's the second point they're asking about in this problem. But we could have gotten it another way as well. Because the point that we start off with, the y-intercept, is the point 0, -3. That's where the line crosses the y-axis. The run is the change in the x. The x increases by 5 at the same time as the y increases by 2. So if we add 5 to the previous x coordinate, we get 5 plus 0 is 5. Add 2 to -3, you get -1. There's the same point. So we didn't have to actually graph the line to get that second point. We could just add the run to the x coordinate and add the rise to the y coordinate.